Visa interview tip number 41. Should I practice for my US visa interview? Absolutely, you should practice for your US visa interview, but not like a robot. You do not want to memorize answers that you're going to repeat back to the officer verbatim when you're asked. Better that you practice key concepts and key ideas that you are likely going to be asked at your interview. So every time you're asked a question, the answer might be a little bit different, but it's going to have the same content that is necessary in order to get your point across. So like, why are you going to go to the US? What are you going to do in the US? When are you going to come back from the US? What are your ties back to your own country? Why do you have to come back to your own country? All those questions you can practice. Also, best to not practice by yourself. Good to practice with a friend. Let them ask you the questions and then you respond. Every time, again, you might have a little bit of a different answer, but the key is to make sure that you understand the concept of what you're trying to convey to the officer and are able to convey it clearly and concisely. That's what the practicing is for. Not to memorize and sound like a robot. The officer will likely think that you're not telling the truth. Make sure you subscribe or you follow so you don't miss any future daily visa interview tips. See you tomorrow.